Have you ever been knocked down by a challenge, like failing at something important or going through a tough personal time? It's in these moments that we need resilience the most. Resilience isn't just about getting back up, it's about coming back stronger and learning from the hard times. A prime example of resilience is the journey of J.K. Rowling, the author behind the Harry Potter phenomenon. Before her rise to fame, Rowling's path was anything but smooth. She grappled with significant challenges, including financial hardships as a single mother and battling depression. Her situation was so difficult that she considered herself a failure at a certain point in her life. The path to publishing her first book was strewn with obstacles. Rowling faced rejection not once or twice, but 12 times. Yes, her manuscript was turned down by 12 different publishers. Each rejection could have been a reason to give up, but Rowling persisted. Her determination was fueled by her belief in her story and her passion for writing. She kept sending her manuscript to publishers, undeterred by the mounting rejections. Finally, her resilience paid off when Bloomsbury, a small London publisher, accepted her manuscript. The decision was significantly influenced by the publisher's 8-year-old daughter, who read the first chapter and eagerly demanded the rest. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was published in 1997 and quickly became a bestseller, leading to a series that captivated readers worldwide. Rowling's journey from a struggling writer to one of the world's most successful and beloved authors is a testament to the power of resilience. It shows that success often comes not just from talent or luck, but from the ability to bounce back from setbacks, stronger and more determined than ever. Rowling's journey shows us that resilience is about not letting tough times stop us. It's about using our struggles to push us forward, making us stronger and more determined. To build resilience, start by accepting that life will have ups and downs. Instead of running from challenges, see them as chances to grow. When you face a hard time, think about what it can teach you and how you can use it to get stronger. Having people around who support and believe in you is also key. Friends, family, or mentors can give you the boost you need when things get tough. Remember, being resilient is like building a muscle. It gets stronger the more you work on it. Every challenge you face and overcome is a chance to make your resilience muscle stronger. Today, think about a challenge you've been through and how it helped you grow. In the comments, share how you've overcome tough times or how you're working on being more resilient. Your story could be just what someone else needs to hear to see their own challenges as ways to become stronger and more resilient. Let's inspire each other to come back from hard times stronger than before.